Hello, Chris Rockhold, Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to walk through Gicho Hyung Sam Bu. It is the third basic form in a series of 3 forms that you will learn at Rockhold Karate. The form itself is comprised of 4 techniques. First one being Aniso Maki, inside outside block, Chundan Kongkyuk, middle punch, Haran Maki, low block, and Winjin Kongkyuk, side punch. The form also, like the previous 2 forms, has 20 movements. The exception is there are 3 stances that will happen throughout those movements. First one being Hugol Jase, back stance, Chungol Jase, front stance, and Kima Jase, horse stance. And as before, we have a video on stances on this channel called Tang Soo Do Stances. Be sure to check it out up there in the button. All right, get into position here. Let's begin. Gicho Hyung Sam Bu. First technique will be Aniso Maki, inside outside block, in Hugol Jase, back stance. So I'm going to cover, my right hand will be on top of my left shoulder, and it will look to the left and inside outside block. And we'll step middle punch and front stance. And these 2 techniques will repeat, going the other direction. I'll look, cover, and inside outside block and back stance, and step into front stance, middle punch. Back down the middle. As before the other 2 forms, we'll step low block into front stance. This time we're going to step out into side punch and a horse stance. Second one and third one, key up. From here, we'll do the big turn again. Look over your shoulder, into back stance, inside outside block. Step middle punch and cover up, and repeat the same 2 techniques. Inside outside block and back stance, and middle punch in front stance. We'll look down the middle, cover up, and low block. Horse stance punch 1, 2, and 3, key up. And turn again into back stance, inside outside block. Step middle punch, and repeat these 2 techniques one last time. Inside outside block and back stance, and middle punch in front stance. And then return back to Chunbi. Ready position. Chariot, tension, kune, and bow. And then back to Chunbi, and that is Gicho Hyung Sam Bu. As before with the other 2 forms, you'll want to maintain a certain height. Once you're in your stance, maintain that level. It's more challenging because the other 2 stances have just 1 stance. This one has 3, you're transitioning to and from. So this will be more difficult of a challenge. If you like this video and other videos, be sure to subscribe. Like the video, share it, and check us out on Instagram. Don't forget to ring that bell for new videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care.